Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can take only 3 ingredients, that's counting the oil, and make some delicious banana pancakes. So let's go. Here's what you need. Seriously, that's it. By the way, that's the total amount of oil. We won't use it all at once. Start off by taking those overripe bananas and mashing them together. Once that's done, simply add the eggs and beat everything till you get a nice batter. You can keep mashing the bananas as you make the batter. I left some chunks in. Now take some of the oil, you'd want a thin layer there, and over medium heat, add the batter. After some trials and errors, I suggest you make them relatively small since they're very fragile. Let me just take those two pieces there and we'll move on. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes before flipping it. Lift half of it and using gravity let the other half pull it down. And then let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. I swear to you that off camera I flipped some by tossing them in the pan. I couldn't get that on camera though. All that's left now is to plate them up and enjoy. I took some of the misshaped ones for my eating segment of the video. They're delicious as is, but maple syrup is a must with pancakes. Let me tell you, that was sensational. This was a sugar-free video since the ripe bananas get really sweet, so let me know how you like them down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit.